love playing basketball because it helps me to reduce my stress and it helps me solve my problems.
Actually, I enjoyed the whole event, but the most enjoyable moment that I experienced is watching the basketball women, especially women, because I saw their competitive spirit as they played basketball. So I hope everyone has possessed that spirit. Everyone enjoys.
So how do you feel when your team wins or loses in the intramurals basketball game?
For me, if mawin mi kay kadang syempre happy kami tanan mag-celebrate. And if we lose kay happy gyapon. At least we did our best. Para.
Hi Sir Vince.
Hi Sir Vince.
Yes, because of course during the intramurals we socialize with other people. We socialize even without connection some other people with. For example, me, I don't have any other friends with some BSBA. I was assigned this sports committee in the basketball. Then I also socialize with the other BSBA players, such as let's say Arman Mendoza. He's now I have some connection with him right now because he is the security also. He is the security team also, and of course me, I am the security team also. And by that, we socialize.
Start. So how was your experience so far?
My experience is Lindot Lingaw akong sports preskaron as SSC Vice President ng Katangan. Naami karon ang abot assist sa mga kanang sports fest and sa akong experience is Lingaw gid siya atong sports fest sa atong mga athletes also.